In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily drop a pin on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If you would like to share a particular location with someone, then you can easily do so right from Messages app. So first off, I'm gonna open up Messages app. After that, we can enter some conversation, and now all we have to do in order to drop our pin on a map is tap right here at this plus and then select location. This will load up here at the bottom this kind of Apple Maps widget. Here first off we need to tap at this button to activate that mode, and now we can easily drag our map. In that way we can zoom it in or zoom it out, and in this way we can easily drop a pin anywhere we want. Like, let's say I would like to share that location with my friend, and now guys, basically all we have to do is just hit right here at this button, and now here we need to tap right there to send it. Now guys, our recipient, whenever they open up this message, will be able to tap right here, and they will be automatically taken to that particular point on the Apple Maps application. So basically that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.